you can utilize workflows to assign maintenance on assets based on real-world conditions. Here's an example. I have a forklift here that's currently out. The status I can see here is working condition. Now, let's say this forklift is returned to me, and I want to automatically perform a safety check before loaning it back out. So here's what I can do. I can click check in here, or I can click check in on the mobile app. And now that the forklift is returned, notice that the status label has automatically changed to safety inspection needed. The asset has a status of loan restricted as well, meaning I can't check out or reserve this asset until a safety inspection is complete. Next, a technician can be notified via email that the forklift needs a safety inspection, so they can go to the asset, pull it up on their mobile phone, and they can open the maintenance report. And the maintenance report is a customizable list of tasks that need to be conducted to properly perform maintenance. So the technician can claim the report to themselves, which means it assigns the maintenance, the work order to them, and they go through the report and fill out all of the necessary tasks. Now that the safety inspection has been completed, the asset has automatically changed to a status of working condition. It can be loaned, and if I look under asset maintenance, we have a record of the safety inspection that was done. If I click on the report here, I can see the record and who it was completed by, along with all the details.